Danfoss compressor. It was running, but it wasn't pumping. It wasn't pumping much of anything, so decided to cut it open. It's got a seal right here. I guess this separates the low side from the high side of the system. Here's the head. You can just see straight through it. Here's the head of the top scroll. It's got a pressure relief valve right here, and it is a thermal disc. It'll shoot down, if it gets too hot, it'll shoot down hot gas, and if the pressure gets too high, it'll shoot down hot gas. And then it's got a check valve in here. There we go. So the refrigerant don't come back when the unit shuts down. Let's see if it's, you can see all these scarring marks on the top of the scroll and down here. Looks like it was wearing out. Now, I had no oil when I tried to drain it, which is kind of odd. Here's the scroll that moves. See, it's got a lot of wear on the top. It's got a little hole right here. It goes out this way. Then it's got another hole right there. Where is it? It's actually right here. This also looks to be worn out pretty good. There's a lip. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or if it wore out like that. This little bushing. See the wear on it. Here's the cyclone converter. Here's where the scroll sits. It's got like two rubber O-rings right here. I think it wasn't sealing, so that's why it wasn't pumping, because it was probably wore down due to lack of oil or trying to pump liquid. This comes off too. Let's see if I can get it off. Yeah, this is pressed into the compressor that holds the bottom scroll, and the shaft goes in the middle. The sleeve bearings kind of got some copper plating. Let's see. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. The bottom, it's got a little play. The bottom bearing. There's the router. It's just a little different from Copeland. I don't know if you can see down there. Let's see. Probably not, but that's just the sleeve bearing down there. That's all the oil that was in there. Not much at all. It takes 34 ounces, I believe. I tried draining it and not even an ounce came out. Here's your counter shot. So yeah, that's a look at a Danfoss, and looks like I want to take a good one apart and compare it, but if anyone knows a little bit more about a Danfoss compressor, I'd like your input.